Hello, Wonder Kids. Welcome to Sia's Wonder Kids Academy. Today, we're diving into the magical Whispering Woods, where secrets are hidden among the trees. Are you ready to join Lulu the fawn on her amazing adventure? Let's go! Meet Lulu, a curious fawn exploring the legendary Whispering Woods. It's a place full of wonders and secrets waiting to be discovered.
Wow, this place is magical.
Who are you and what brings you here?
I'm Lulu. I've come to uncover the secrets of Whispering Woods.
And so, Lulu's adventure begins with a new friend, Miko the raccoon. But the forest has its warnings too. Under the glow of the moon, Lulu and Miko meet Oren, the wise owl of Whispering Woods.
Oren, Lulu wants to find the forest's greatest secret. Can you guide her?
The forest whispers to those who listen, but its secrets demand courage and kindness. Follow the firefly trail, but beware, the path is not easy.
With courage in her heart, Lulu sets out on the glowing firefly trail. On the trail, they find Zazu, a grumpy porcupine stuck in a thorn bush.
Help me out or I'll spike you.
Lulu's kindness shines through as she gently frees Zazu.
Thank you. Here, take this feather. It may help you later.
Told you kindness pays off.
The trail leads to an enchanted glade where a mysterious voice challenges them with a riddle. I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I?
It's fire!
As soon as Lulu answers, the statue transforms into a real lion, the guardian of Whispering Woods. Lulu's heart swells with pride as she accepts the gift. Back in her meadow, Lulu plants the magical seed. The tree grows, spreading its shimmering vines and uniting all creatures.
Unity is the greatest treasure.
And so, Lulu's adventure ends, but her lesson lives on. Courage, kindness, and unity create a world full of wonder. Thank you for watching Sia's Wonder Kids Academy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this story with your friends.